Okay guys, so now we're going to look at the new upload feature. So this allows you to do bulk uploads with a simple drag and drop. And for photos, it means that you can very easily use the GPS on the photo itself to assign it to the proper project. And so you'll see here where this is kind of our landing page where we give you suggestions about next steps. And so you can see that we're suggesting you might upload a drawing or you add stuff to the project. So let's jump right into upload. So if I click on upload, it's going to take me directly to this simple drag and drop interface. So I'm just going to take some files and drag them directly onto this platform here. So I'm going to select all these images, drag and drop over to the project, and then release. And we'll see as the images upload, they get sorted. In this case, 2 actually didn't get sorted to the right project, and 2 did. So now if we go to sort uploads, we'll be able to look and see what didn't get uploaded to the right project. And we've got 2 images here. So if we click on the first image, you can see the image that it's talking about, and it did not get sorted to the right project. And so this one actually should be in the 49 Spadina project. So we're just going to select that here, and we're going to add it as an image, and then we're going to put some text in here and say, manual sort GPS missed. And sometimes that happens just because the GPS is not always 100% accurate. So we'll click Add Photo, and that's now been added to the system. Let's click on the second one, and we'll see the same thing here. This is actually taken in Colorado, so way off, so it's a good thing it didn't get sorted into the project. And we're just going to add it to the project just so that we can see that happen. We're going to add it, and this one actually, let's add this as a map or drawing, just because that's a separate type, and this will allow us to just see exactly how that works. And so when you're adding a map or drawing, you can do it with a PDF, or you can do it with an image, and then we can talk a little bit more about plans and drawings after this. But just to see how this works, you just choose a different type, and you say image as plan map, and then you click add plan. And there we have it. We have our plan that we uploaded, we have the manually sorted one, and then we have the 2 where we actually have metadata on them that allowed us to sort them into the correct project and give it the correct date of the actual photograph being taken. And so it's a simple process of just drag and drop